Okay, hey folks, how we all doing? I hope you all had a great Christmas, and it was fun and safe, and everyone is doing well. Okay, first I want to thank all my subscribers because I need your help in getting this channel to go, and I appreciate all of you. So today we have two new trains on there. We have the New York Central Commodore Vanderbilt Streamlined. We also have the new Milwaukee Road Hiawatha, which is my dream train. I waited for that my whole life. As soon as I saw it once, I says, "Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous," and it is. So, with that, we also have, which I ran one time before, 3 months ago. I have a Union Pacific 49er on there. And those three trains are all streamlined, which is something that I like myself. So I also added an N scale, which I started with, with N scale here. And I've kept all my N scale track and my trains, and I decided I was going to make a road around there. And then at the last minute, I said, why don't I put a train on there? I have it. Might as well try it. So I put the GS4 Southern Pacific Dayliner, and I put that on there, and you're going to see that too. Plus the trolley is on there. So that's 5 lines going in this small little room. I wish I had a bigger area. So, with that, let's get these wheels going, okay? And all aboard!